Editor minimap side. So it just controls in which side you want your minimap on, and you just have right, which is the default value, or left. And you can have your minimap on the left. Now, I prefer my minimap on the right because if you have it on the left, this little what they call a slider, which is essentially the part of your code, the part of the code that you're looking at, and where your cursor is, which is this line right here, are separated. But if you have it on the right, they're put together, right? And I think this is rather useful because I would like to see, like, if I leave my cursor here and then I want to scroll through the file to take a look at something else, I still want to know how I can quickly go back to where my cursor is, and I can just click there, or drag and drop the slider to where the cursor is. So because of that, and just because most editors have the minimap on the right, and it's everyone's kind of used to it, I'm gonna leave it on the right as well.